Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be giving you a detailed review of the latest smartphone from Realme, the Realme 12. We'll dive deep into its features, specifications, and everything you need to know about this device. Let's get started. The Realme 12 comes with a sleek and stylish design. The dimensions are 165.6 by 76.1 by 7.7 millimeters, and it weighs just 188 grams, making it lightweight and comfortable to hold. It has an IP54 rating, which means it is dust and splash resistant. The phone is available in two stunning colors, twilight purple and woodland green. Moving on to the display, the Realme 12 features a 6.72-inch IPS LCD. It offers a peak brightness of 800 nits typical and 950 nits in high brightness mode HBM. The display also supports a 120 Hz refresh rate. Additionally, the phone has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for fast and secure unlocking. The Realme 12 is powered by a 5000 mAh battery. It supports 45 watts wired fast charging. Under the hood, the Realme 12 runs on Android 14 with Realme UI 5.0. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, built on a 6nm process. Let's talk about the cameras. Main camera. The Realme 12 comes with a dual camera setup on the back. The primary sensor is a 108 megapixel camera. Second camera, 2 megapixels depth sensor. Front camera. On the front, the Realme 12 has a single 8 megapixel camera. Video recording with the front and rear cameras support 1080p video recording at 30 FPS. The Realme 12 offers multiple storage and RAM configurations. 128GB with 6GB RAM, 128GB with 8GB RAM, 256GB with 8GB RAM, 512GB with 8GB RAM. It also has a micro SDXC card slot for expandable storage, but it uses a shared SIM slot. The phone comes with stereo speakers, providing an immersive audio experience. There's a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a big plus for those who prefer wired headphones. It also features a USB Type-C 2.0 port for charging and data transfer. So, that's everything you need to know about the Realme 12. With its sleek design, powerful performance, impressive cameras, and long-lasting battery, it's a great choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly yet feature-packed smartphone. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Realme 12. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.